Hello guys, it's Taki once again. In this video, will show you how to get the billing invoices for your ChatGPT and how you can cancel the memberships if you have a real current membership that activated. So first, I'm gonna be this video will show you how to get the billing invoices downloading if you have a membership or someone. So go for your ChatGPT guys, and then press when your name is popping. Go for settings and go for the billing thing. So in this case, if you have a billing, anything related is going to be finding here, which month it starts, how many the amount, and so on. So if you don't have a billing, so it's going to be freedom. Let us say the free usage as is going to be this one. So I'm going to show you how it's open if it is a plus membership one. So guys, in this case, I will show you how it is like shown. There is billing history in this account, which is a plus one. So here you're gonna finding the billing history from which month it starts, like May 5, June 5, 2026. If it is paid or which is the status of that card. So it's gonna be going for the view if you want to get the invoice, and here it's gonna be downloading the invoice. So guys, that's it. We have the invoice downloaded, which is the PDF that you want to do so. And yeah, that's it. How to get the invoice of your product. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.